Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings, no detours. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap Battery. This view shows your current charge percentage, battery health, and the low power mode toggle you need. Make sure you glance at battery health to understand why you might be using low power mode. It reduces background activity and performance to save battery. After tapping Battery, pause so you can find the low power mode switch on the next slide. Now flip low power mode on by tapping that toggle. The switch turns green and the battery icon may turn yellow. Once enabled, the system throttles CPU, pauses background fetch, and disables visual effects to extend runtime. If you want faster access later, go back to Settings Control Center and add low power mode so you can toggle it from the control center with a swipe. This step ensures you can engage the saver quickly when you need extra runtime. Finish by checking the status bar for the yellow battery icon. That shows low power mode is active. You can leave it on until you charge. It automatically turns off at about 80%, or you can toggle it off manually in Settings or Control Center. If you don't see the low power mode option, make sure your iPhone 13 is running a current iOS and then restart the device. A quick reboot often resolves missing toggles. If problems persist, update iOS and check again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.